Welcome back, everyone. It was a warm and dry day across southern Colorado. 67 the high today in Colorado Springs, 73 in Pueblo, so about 10 to 15 degrees above average across the area. And at this time of the year, when we are warm and dry, we see high fire danger, and we have been tracking several fires today. This is a live look at Highway 94 at Mark Scheffel Road. You can see a little bit of smoke off in the distance. This is one of the two fires we've been tracking today. This is the Meridian fire, now with 30% containment, 3,000 acres burned so far. The other fire we've been tracking now 100% contained, 20 acres on the west side of town. And we can see both of these fires on this radar product here. The blue is the smoke plume from each of the fires, and you can see how over the last hour and a half or so, the fire burning near Schriever has become more dispersed. This indicates that firefighters are likely getting more of a handle on that fire. Part of the reason for that may be because the winds are beginning to reduce. We're seeing them sustained right now out of the west-southwest at 15 miles per hour at Schriever Space Force Base. Gusts at 22 miles per hour. Earlier today, we were looking at 30 to 35 mile per hour gusts, but we are not done with the wind. As we head through the rest of the evening, we have a very strong jet stream over us, so we'll have a brief period where the winds get lighter tonight. But then as we head into the overnight hours, the winds begin to increase again, particularly west of I-25. If you're a light sleeper, you may get woken up briefly by those winds. And then as we head into the day tomorrow, we will see the wind speeds increase. So we have red flag warnings for the entirety of southern Colorado in place until 8 p.m. this evening. And then we're tracking more windy conditions tomorrow. So let's look across the entirety of the area. The strongest winds with our incoming system are going to be in our southern tier. As we head into the overnight hours and for your morning commute tomorrow, we're looking at 50 to 60 mile per hour gusts in Walsenburg and Trinidad, with stronger gusts over the tops of the southern Sangre de Cristo Mountains. They'll peak in the late morning to early afternoon. We could see some 70 to 100 mile per hour gusts down on the mountain tops in the southern mountains, 60 to 70 mile per hour gusts in the southern tier. 50 to 70 mile per hour gusts tomorrow on the eastern plains, and 40 to 50 in the Pikes Peak region and Pueblo areas. The wind shifting out of the northwest as that low pressure system makes its way over the eastern plains. So we'll have high wind warnings go into effect tomorrow at 11 a.m. They'll last until 7 p.m. for the eastern plains, our southern tier, and our southern mountains, where the strongest gusts will be. And because of those strong winds, we also have more red flag warnings going into effect tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. That does once again include Colorado Springs as well as Pueblo and most of our southern tier as well. So no outdoor burning again tomorrow. Make sure to call 911 if you do see any smoke. Here's our incoming system. As we take a look here at Futurecast, most of the moisture is going to stay up in the mountains. The only period I'm focused on for potentially some impacts in southern Colorado with snow are as that low begins to develop and pivot to the east. We could see a brief period of rain and snow over the Palmer Divide tomorrow, but I don't think we'll see too much in terms of accumulations, maybe a trace at the most. Now, as we take a look here at your Super 7-day forecast, a 3 out of 5 storm impact tomorrow in the Pikes Peak region, mainly for that wind, which is going to make driving rather difficult, so plan ahead for that. As we head into the weekend, we'll be a little bit colder with potentially a flurry on Saturday. We're tracking more high fire danger potential on Monday as wind speeds increase again ahead of our next system. Right now looking like 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts during the afternoon, and then potentially some snow showers accumulating snow Tuesday into Wednesday. In Pueblo, windy for you tomorrow. Relatively seasonable, slightly cool with plenty of clouds on Saturday. A brief flurry is possible, up to the 70s again on Monday with elevated fire danger, and some snow showers possible Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Canyon City, 50s tomorrow with plenty of wind as well. 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts for you, peaking during the afternoon. 40s on Saturday, 70s again by Monday. Woodland Park, you'll be into the 30s on Saturday with a few flurries possible, worth a 1 out of 5 storm impact, back to the 60s Monday ahead of your next system, which also arrives Tuesday into Wednesday.